The Texas ProStart Invitational would not be here without our partners' support. The growth over the past 5 years has been significant, and a lot of it is due to the partners that have contributed not only their time, their investment, but their resources to our students.
We're here to promote our company, ChefWorks. We're very proud that we were able to work with the TRA and help them with all the uniforms, everything here that you see today, all the beautiful posts we did. We just feel so proud that we're part of this amazing event. Giving back and investing in the future chefs is just an amazing accomplishment. Yeah.
Here at the foundation, we're always looking for more companies who'd like to contribute their time and resources. Sponsors gain value from participating in the Texas ProStart by having direct communication with our students, creating a talent pool, the next generation of workforce in this food service industry. Not only the brand exposure, but the community involvement, becoming a leading partner or restaurant group within this industry is a huge impact.
You can get involved in a number of ways with the Texas Restaurant Foundation. If it's your business and you want some brand awareness, we will get you in front of high school students. We will get you in front of the different members at our different events so that you can network with people.
Our industry should be wrapping our arms around these students and giving them the chances and opportunities that we, frankly, as an industry really needs. We need the next generation of leaders, and the Texas Restaurant Foundation is a great funnel to find them.